Alright guys, what is going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy T right here, man, and we back with another sneaker video. And yo, I know it's been a while, I know, but yo, we ended up having to drop Wednesday and we ended up grabbing some more sneakers. Alright, so first thing first, let me just say I apologize, but this, the sneaker world has been a little dry, and it's like I said, I'm not trying to be getting sneakers that I'm not going to wear. I want to make sure I get something that's worth my while and I'm aware. You know what I mean? You got to feel me on that, right? You got to feel me on that. But back to the sneaker in hand. We had a drop come Wednesday, and yes, we got our hands on a pair of some more Jordan 1s. We got some highs, man. We stepping the high game up now. You remember back then, I said I was gonna step my low game up, right? I'm gonna step my low game up. Well, yeah, as you can see, we ended up stepping the low game up. You know what I mean? But now I think we transitioned, and I think we want to start stepping the high game up now. So yo, we ended up landing a pair of the Dark Marina Blues right here in our hands, man. We got us a pair right here. I know it dropped on Wednesday. I'm just putting out the video a day after, man. I was tired. I ain't even gonna lie, man. I was tired. I got home late. It was just like, I'm gonna get it out. But yeah, man, like I always told you before, when I got a pair of sneakers, you got a pair of sneakers, I'm bringing y'all a video. I already know. All right, so let's jump right into it. All right, yeah, you already know. We got the same old box. The same box, but we ain't finna jump in all that. We ain't finna talk about the tissue paper. We're just gonna get right into these and look at this. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's drop this down here. All right, yo, man, we got a pair of the Dark Marina Blues right here. As you can see, they're not laced it up right now. I just took them fresh out the box, man. The sneaker itself comes with an extra pair of laces, as you can see, a black pair and a white pair. And man, look at this here. All right, wow, yeah. So this is literally my third pair of highs. All right, third pair of highs. I got the handcrafts, I have the breads, and now I have the Dark Marina Blues right now. And I'm starting to fall in love with the highs now. I ain't even gonna front. I love the lows, but right now the highs are starting to take a toll on me right now. I mean, wow, man. I mean, I love the color, man. I love the colorway of it, man. I love the colorway. All right, so as you can see right here, the whole trimming of the sneaker itself, we have the blue going all through the sneaker right now. And I mean, I'm a big fan of blue. Blue and black is like a nice thing for me, man. But yeah, we got the blue going all through the sneaker, right along with the blue Nike check right there. We got the black, yeah, this is where it's at. We got the black going through right here at the midsole of the sneaker. We got it at the collars of the sneaker as well. Also, we have the black toe box, and of course, we got the padded black tongue with the blue Air Nike sign as well. And it also comes with a strand of the blue laces, which I think I'm going to keep the blue laces in my, I guess it depends on what I wear, but I'm thinking the blue laces may stay with it. And yes, we also got the white sole, the white bottom trim of the sole as well, and the blue bottom, man. Oh my God, I like these sneakers right now, man. I love these. I love these. All right, same thing as well with the other shoes. Same way, man. Like I said, we have the extra laces. We got the white pair of laces. We got the black pair of laces that come with it. And again, we got the blue pair of laces. And yo, man, let me know in the comments which pair of laces you would rock with this sneaker right here. You tell me. Again, I'm gonna probably stay with the blue in mine, and it just depends on what I wear, but most likely 9 out of 10 is gonna be the actual blue laces. But again, man, like I said, we just got pretty much the same thing that's going around with this sneaker as well, with the blue trimming throughout the shoe, the black padded tongue right along with the Nike Air. Also, we got, like I said, the black collars, the black mid portion of the sneaker as well. Yo, man, I also left, like I said, I also left this out in the other sneaker as well. We got the black Air Jordan symbol right there as well. And let me just take this little stuff out the shoe so we can just look at the inside of it. We got the white sole with the actual blue Nike Air sign as well, and the sneaker as well. And for me, just to let you all know, I get all my sneakers true to size. I wear a size 10, so I get all mine true to size. So I just, it's always been that way for me. I don't ever usually get a size up or a size down. I kind of 10's been working out, you know, good for me. It keeps my foot right here, so I don't really crease it like that. So honestly, yeah, if you're looking and want to know what size sneaker, hey, true to size is the way to go. I think that's probably the best for me anyway, true to size. And yeah, man, listen, man, we got the Dark Marina Blues now, man. We adding this to the collection, to the Jordan collection. Again, I'm excited that I have them. The wifey has a pair as well. And man, these sneakers are hot, man. I'm gonna try to get you on foot them as well. I'm gonna have to string these bad boys up before I get y'all on foot, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, I'm gonna string them up and let's jump on the on foot, man. Again, also, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for your boy. I have more sneaker videos on the way. I mean, again, man, you just got to bear with your boy, you know what I mean? Just bear with your boy. But yeah, man, the love is always truly appreciated. I thank everybody for all the support. Truly means a lot, man. It's truly helping the channel a lot. And again, man, I'm just glad you all enjoying it, man. So again, love and blessings. I see you all in the next one. Let's check out this on foot right now.